What if the devil really did build this wall? We are walking Teufelsmauer, and it's more magical than you think.
We did it as usual. We entered here from the yard entrance, not from the main one. The main entrance is for weak people, I would say. No, for weak people. I am the normal one.
No, you aren't. You are the crazy
A jagged ribbon of rock slicing through the Harz forest, steeped in legend, shaped by time, and surprisingly family-friendly. They say the devil built a wall overnight to claim the Harz Mountains for himself, but a rooster crowed too early. The spell broke and the wall collapsed. What's left are jagged sandstone peaks, like the spine of something ancient. And while most travelers head for broken, the tallest peaks in the Harz, Teufelsmauer stays quiet. Fewer crowds, same magic. Somewhere in between we stopped, sat down on a warm rock, brewed tea and coffee on a little burner. The dog curled up beside us. There was no signal, no rush, just birdsong, sunlight, and the kind of silence you feel, not just here. And I thought, I remember this moment, not because it was epic, but because it was real. These caves are over 80 million years old. Wow! Caved not by people, but by wind, rain and time. Some even call it Germany's fossil spine, because this ridge was once part of the sea floor and still hide traces of prehistoric marine life. You can hike from Neinstedt to Hamburger Wappen, about 8 kilometers, maybe 2 or 3 hours with stops. It's not a climb, it's a walk. Perfect for beginners, families, dogs, or anyone needing a deep breath of forest air. And Teufelsmauer is part of one of Germany's oldest protected natural reserves, established long before most national parks even existed. The stone here is Upper Cretaceous sandstone, once buried under a prehistoric sea. You're walking the ancient waves once crushed. Look closely, some rocks bear marks like scales or ripples, not just weathering, but echoes of an ocean that vanished 80 million years ago.
Let's go.
Some rocks even have names. Hamburger Wappen, for example, looks like the coat of arms of Hamburg. Others just look otherworldly. The path winds past mossy roots and crooked trees, but soon echoes like it's poundings of the stone. And if you are lucky, you might spot a falcon tracing the ridge. Sometimes the best part of the hike isn't the view. It's watching your kids scramble up the rocks. It's making tea in the middle of nowhere, letting time slow down, and realizing you don't need perfect weather or cell service to make a perfect day. We didn't come here looking for a legend. We just wanted to walk, breathe, and feel something real. And somehow, that's exactly what we found. There is something grounding about trails like this. Old stone under your feet, Wildflowers brushing your legs, the wind moving like it has for centuries. That's the beauty of Teufelsmauer. It's not a crowded destination, it's a personal discovery.
It is always the case, we need to take some photos.
No.
We didn't rush. Sometimes the smallest moments stay the longest. A breeze through the trees, the way sunlight hits one ridge, just right. A quiet note from a hiker, no words needed. You don't need to go far to feel far away. And sometimes that's all we are really looking for. And what do you think about it? Are we on the same page? If yes, then save this place. You don't walk Teufelsmauer just once. You walk it again, in autumn fog, under summer sun, maybe with new boots or old stories, and somehow it feels familiar. Whether you're here for legend, with silence, or just a pause, this will stay with you. We're just a family walking through the world, one trail at a time. Like, subscribe, and come with us to the next one. We walk to remember. That's the kind of motion we were born for.